Hi, and welcome back to Gift Block. In this video, I share my favorite kitchen gifts for someone who loves to cook. They are a mix of quirky, fun, unique, and practical gift ideas, with a few that can be customized too to add a personalized touch. Let's get started. First on my list is my favorite foodie dice that makes cooking so much fun. Just roll for protein, carbs, herbs, seasonal veggies, or even a takeout night with over 400,000 possible meal combos to try. This 7-piece Pakawood utensil set makes a lovely, practical gift for anyone who enjoys cooking. Durable, heat-resistant, and safe for non-stick pans, it's perfect for everything from sautéing to serving. Next, here's a kitchen gift with a twist. The Saxy Lid Riser, a saxophone-shaped steam release gadget that keeps pots from boiling over. Fun and practical, each pack comes with 3 colorful lid risers. And now, meet Red the Crab, a quirky BPA-free, food-grade silicone spoon rest. Heat-resistant, sturdy, and full of personality, it makes an awesome quirky gift for any home cook or foodie. A 6-piece knife set that is available in unique prints like Jurassic, Wildlife, Cosmos, and Masterpiece artworks. These razor-sharp knives cover all slicing, chopping, and dicing needs. If you are looking for a personalized gift, then this lovely wooden spoon is perfect. Have it engraved with their name, and it turns into a thoughtful gift that's as sweet as the treats they'll be whipping up. Give your loved one's kitchen the spotlight it deserves with a customized metal sign that proudly says it is their kitchen. A personalized gift that turns the heart of the home into a stage all its own. Next, the Kick-Casserole ceramic casserole dish that helps serve up laughs and delicious dishes. Equal parts stylish, sturdy, and cheeky, it's the ultimate gift for any cook who loves a little humor in the kitchen. Meet Bert, the gnome cheese knife who's as charming as he is sharp. Perfect for slicing cheese, fruits, or veggies. He's a whimsical gift any foodie will adore. Next, a utensil holder that has a farmhouse, rustic touch, and is the perfect gift for someone who has a country-style kitchen. Cuteness overload! This set of 3 adorable Christmas ornaments includes a waffle iron with a lid that can be lifted, a stand mixer with a knob that can be turned, and a toaster with a sliding lever. A clever gift for those who enjoy the little things. This cat face spoon rest that says, "I licked the spoon," is a cutesy gift for cat lovers who enjoy cooking. This set of 4 measuring spoons reading faith, strength, honesty, generosity is the best gift for any woman who loves to cook. A throw blanket full of messages that all announce your loved one as the queen of the kitchen. If you know of a woman who enjoys owning her kitchen, this is perfect. This set of 3 mixing bowls is a lovely gift to add a touch of color to the kitchen. Has an average rating of 4.9 on Amazon, so that really says it all. That's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more such fun, thoughtful, and unique gift ideas for your loved ones. And yes, if you are looking for gift ideas, leave a comment describing the occasion and your loved one's likes, and I will reply back promptly with some awesome ideas.